Okay, good morning, YouTube. Big problems today. Big windstorm last night, and now the piggies are in with the ponies. It's not so bad for the ponies, but the piggies have not such a good time, because the horses are quite mean to them. So we'll go fix their fence, show you what 80-kilometer-an-hour winds did to our fence. Let's go see. Good morning. Hello. What happened to your fence? You got piggies in your fence? Oh my goodness. Look at them cranky ears. Oh my goodness. Okay, this will do till we get home. Hopefully the line didn't break in the middle. So, did we check to make sure that where the tree fell, it didn't break the little fibers in the tape?
It looked like it did any damage to the line.
Well, it stretched the line.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure that the fibers are... Yeah. Oh. I have nothing in the bucket for you. Okay, the fence looks good. No broken wires. I like it. Oh. There's nothing in my bucket. Nothing in my bucket. Did you find a nice place? Find a good place to sit? Funny girl. Oh, so much excitement this morning. I missed all the good stuff. Oh, well, the exciting stuff. The pig was running between two horses. That one was biting him on his butt. Then he would do a whole loop and come back and get chased and bit again, trying to get in with the rest of the pigs. Okay, fencer is not 100%, but it's still in the green. Here, I'll show you what we got. So normally it's up right at the very black line at the end of the green. So we do have some branches or twigs or something that's sitting on the line. So that'll have to be fixed, but for right now, it's good enough. It'll get us to work anyway, so we can pay for these crazy animals.